In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up documents in Zoho Books. It's essential to keep your financial data secure and ensure that you have access to it even in unforeseen circumstances. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you can easily create a backup of your documents. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. To do this, open your web browser and log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial status and activities. It's from here that you'll begin the backup process. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard where you'll find the Settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page with a variety of options related to your account settings. On the Settings page, look for the Data Administration section. This is an important step because it houses the tools you'll need to manage your data, including backups. Click on Data Administration to proceed. Next, locate the Backup Data option. Clicking on this will direct you to the specific area where you can initiate the backup of your documents. This is where you can manage your backup preferences and take action to ensure your data is safe. It's important to note here that Zoho Books allows you to back up your data once a month. If you've already created a backup this month, you may see a message indicating that your data has been backed up. This feature is especially valuable for maintaining regular records of your financial information, giving you peace of mind that your documentation is safe and retrievable at any time. Once you've reviewed your backup options and confirmed that you wish to create a backup, find the Download button. By clicking this, you'll initiate the process to download the backup file. Depending on the size of your documents, it might take a few moments for the download to complete. Once it's done, you'll have a message. Then, you'll have a secure copy of your financial documents stored on your device. Ensuring your data is safely backed up is a critical task for any business or individual who values their financial information. With these steps, you can easily secure your documents in Zoho Books and rest assured that your data is protected. Remember, a monthly backup is not just a good practice, it's vital for data recovery and integrity. Thank you for watching, and remember to regularly back up your documents to keep your financial data safe and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check back for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Zoho Books.